If you have access to Stella Professional online, model authors can now make their models and CLDs private. To do this with a new model or CLD, select Add New Content and create New Model or CLD. After you fill out all the information, you can choose not to agree to the Creative Commons license, and by default, this will mark this as all rights reserved and only the author can view it. If you have a model or CLD already made that is public and you would like to make it private, select the Actions drop-down button and go into Settings. Scroll down to where you see the license type, and as you can see, this one has the Creative Commons license. Turn that to All Rights Reserved, uncheck Include in Directory, and check Only Author Can Access, and hit Proceed. Now only this model is available to the author who created it.